guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another tool to show you guys that was sent to me by Vevor. This one is out of my area of expertise, but I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what I got. Sorry if it's a little loud in here. I got the heat on in the garage because it's 50 degrees in here. Fahrenheit, I don't know what that is in Celsius. I don't know why it shows us the temperature in Fahrenheit even though we're in Canada. I also feel like I'm constantly defending how I look. I look like a female for about 10% of the time, like makeup and hair done. And the other 90% I look like Frank Gallagher. And if you don't know who that is, then you probably shouldn't be in this relationship. Anyways, how have you guys been? I'm having a tough time. I mean, I've been having a tough time, but the last couple weeks have been particularly hard. Really hard. And I've been trying to figure out why life's been so hard and why I've been so upset, so that I can move past it and understand why I'm this upset and what I can do about it. But for those of you who don't know, I lost my mom, and my mom and I had a very different relationship. It wasn't like a mom and daughter relationship, it was more of like a sister relationship, a best friend relationship. We were just two peas in a pod. So when I lost her, obviously it was extremely difficult for me. I mean, I'm super grateful that I had her for as long as I had her, but I'm obviously gonna miss out on a lot of memories with her. My mom, growing up, she was a single mom for a bit. My biological father was pretty verbally and physically abusive. Like, I remember him whipping remote controllers at her and her just crying and crying. And growing up, her and my grandma kind of raised me for a couple years, and then she met my dad now, my stepdad, but he's my dad. And they did everything they could to raise us and give us everything we needed. They sacrificed so much. They worked nights and shift work at a factory, and then when she did go to work for what she went to school for, she was an ECE during the day, and then she still worked at night. She had a second job being a nanny and whatever else. And I think the one thing that makes me the most upset is I feel like up until this point, like my whole purpose in life was just to make her proud and show her that all the sacrifices that she made was worth it. And I think the one thing I was looking forward the most with that, which I did and I still tried to do, but I'm getting to a point in my life where I wanted to be able to give back to her and take care of her and buy her things and send her on trips, and I just wanted to be able to take care of her like she took care of me. So it's just been tough to accept that I'm not going to be able to do that. I think that's the hardest part, and I just miss her, but it's going to be okay. I know she wouldn't want me to sit around upset, which is why I'm doing these videos and I'm pushing myself. So yeah, on to happier things. Let's get into what Vevor sent me. I'm gonna unpackage this and show you guys. I know everyone rips on Tim Hortons coffee, but I usually get tea. And I've been getting Earl Grey. Oh, I wanted English breakfast, but whatever. Earl Grey's good too. I'm a tea fiend. Yeah, I need scissors though, so I'm gonna go get scissors and I'll be back. Found scissors. So when Vevor reached out to me again, they sent me some of their best-selling products. I didn't know a lot of them, and this isn't electrical related, but it is a really cool tool that I'm going to be using with my fiance Kyle for his race car, because he needs a tool for this. Anyways, so Vevor sent me a plasma cutter, which is super cool. My fiance was extremely excited about it because he doesn't have one. So we're going to show you guys how to use it in a different video, but for now I'm going to open this up. So when they offered to send me this, I was looking at the reviews online, and a lot of people were saying how amazing it is for the price that it is, and some people would even buy it over a Hobart. I think that was the name of the other one that people were talking about, but yeah. Another thing, if you ever order products from Vevor, they actually send them pretty quick, so you don't have to worry about waiting like months and months and months for a product. That's the garbage, right? Ooh, oh gosh. There's more in here than I thought there was. So in here are all your supplementary parts to the plasma cutter. This one's the pneumatic component, it says. So let's give this an open. Everything's very well packaged. Very nice, very nice. So you get all the parts for it. And when you're done, it will look like that. I'm just gonna put everything back in the box and then Kyle can deal with it later. You got this. Ooh, instructions. So this will be handy when I'm trying to actually set it up. And it comes with obviously a handle, this. And then in here is the actual machine part of it. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty compact. For reference, it's really not that big. It's going to be very easy to store, which is amazing because even though we have all of this storage, the fiance has packed it to the brim. There's never enough storage in here. The cord itself looks pretty long, which is awesome because I have no idea where we're going to plug this in. Hopefully we have something in here to plug it into. That's a Kyle question. That's not a me question. Like I said, out of my area of expertise. On here you can see it's got the dials, all the plugins, or inputs I should say, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to make another video where we set this up and we test it out. I don't know how to use this. Nor do I feel like reading instructions. So Kyle's actually going to be the one. He's going to be in this video. He's going to show us. He's going to show us how to set it up. I was going to say he doesn't like instructions, but he's pretty good with both that stuff. So we're going to set this up. We're going to try it out. We're going to show you some panels that we're cutting for the race car, and it should be super cool. Anyways, sorry for the super quick video. It was more of just like a check-in. Look at this cool product Vevor sent me. On another note, I have just been laid off. The union has been driving me bonkers because I understand like it's seniority first and whoever's on the list longest gets the first job, but like goddamn, I am just losing my mind. I need to go back to work. I need a routine. So fingers crossed, send me all your positive vibes and I get a job soon. Because being laid off is not, it's good for the first like month or so. You're like, this is a nice little vacation. And then after that, it's just, I hate it. But until next time, guys, I will see you soon. Hope you guys like these vlog type of videos. I didn't really have anything planned for today, so I just figured I would make a quick video. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. And we're so close to being monetized. This would not be possible with all of you tuning in and watching. So thank you so much for your support. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.